Welcome to the 2023-24 Open House. I'm Stacy Marzullo. I'm the new building principal here at Schuylerville Elementary. I had the opportunity to come to school on the last day and meet all of the students and the teachers. I was so excited to see their faces. I had lots of nice welcome to Schuylerville, Mrs. Marzullo signs outside of classrooms. That was an awesome experience, and it really was an excellent step-off point to the first day of school. Good thinking. How about one more? In my previous role as special education director, I was able to work really closely with teachers on specialized instruction, but I missed the element of seeing the students in the classroom. So I'm really excited to be back in an elementary school building, working very closely with teachers, but also closely with students and their parents to make sure that student success is happening every single day. As a mom of 3 young students who are all in primary grade levels, I understand that it's really important for the school, the principal, and the teachers to work collaboratively with parents. We all want our students to be successful and feel safe in school, and as a mom, I get that. Keeping that open line of communication so that parents know how to contact me if there is a parent concern is really important. Partnership with families and with the staff is really crucial when we're talking about building a community in the school. A lot of positive energy here. The students already know me by name. They wave to me and smile, and I am just so excited to be here at Schuylerville.